That's so embarrassing. I was just talking to the camera and it wasn't even recording. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Lainey. Today we're going to be styling the fall, I almost said spring, trends that I talked about in my last video, so if you guys want to watch that, go here. I'm going to show you how I would incorporate them into my closet. I did buy some new things to partake in these trends, but I don't think too many new things, so you can probably try them out with things you already have in your closet before you decide to buy anything new. Before we get into this video though, I want to say thank you so much to Bloom for sponsoring. You can use the link in the description box to shop. But I have mango today. I also like strawberry kiwi. I just drink them every day. A drink like this is really good for me when I'm trying to cut back on coffee and I still want something fun. Even a matcha is I'm doing too much. I'll just make one of these. They're so easy. Scoop it, put it in water, mix it up. You got a fun drink. I just love a fun drink. So I kind of put half an outfit on because I was trying to just look a little better in the intro. I think it's actually super cute when you wear a skirt and only the bottom is peeking out. So I feel like it's very fall appropriate to pair it with just a big giant denim jacket. So the trend I want to do is fun socks. So first I'm going to show you just a brown pair of socks because when I said fun socks is the trend, I just mean not white socks, even black socks can add a lot to a look. My undies are on the ground. You know what could be fun? I'm trying to be more practical with my outfits I show you guys because I feel like you just appreciate them more. But these clogs are so stinking cute. I'm not gonna do it, but they're cute. Where are my loafers? I like brown and black. I've talked about that before. I even like the loafer better and it's more chill. I really like when I put outfits together with you guys. So I just think the brown sock honestly makes it a bit more fun. It's still such a chill outfit, and this is obviously good for beginning of fall. But if you're looking to step out but still be casual with the denim jacket, I still love the denim jacket and oversized. I like it button up. I don't really ever like my denim jacket unbuttoned. So just a little wrap skirt, ballet core, brown socks, and loafers. Super, super cute. Now let's switch it for a printed crazy sock. Lemons, bananas, watermelon. This might just be a little too kiddish for some people, and I get that. It's not for everyone. So I think with the skirt, it looks a little too schoolgirl with the skirt and loafers. I've got the right feel. These little navy blue socks with cherries on them are the way to go because they're more fall. Other socks are a little too summer. And this outfit is fall. I've got to get a solid outfit for you guys or you're never going to trust me again. But I swear I've been wearing these little socks. And when you're just doing it in an effortless way, it works. And then as soon as you're trying to make an outfit with the socks, they don't work. That's not how they're meant to be. But this is how I would wear the socks. I think that this looks very fun and youthful. How many times can I say that? Am I an old lady or what? I think also my blush and my lipstick is making me look weird. Like an older woman. Okay, here we go. I like this outfit and I would wear this outfit and I would feel so confident in this outfit because it is just the epitome of my clothes. I am trying to dress less crazy for you guys because sometimes when I turn the camera on I just get excited and I want to play dress up, but I want to give real outfit inspo, and this is how I would wear fun printed socks. I think it looks cute like this. Let me try one more way. I don't have the right socks. That's my excuse, okay? I wish I had little hearts. Let's do colored socks because I think that's easier and something I think more people will wear. Shoe obviously shows off a lot more of the red sock, but sometimes just the peep is fun. That would end up on your Pinterest board. You can't tell me it wouldn't. Such a basic outfit. I love this t-shirt so much. Brandon thrifted it for me in high school. It's Nike, so I would have paired my Sambas with it, but I've got ingrained in me that I can't wear Nike and Adidas together. These are Everlane jeans that are a little bit more cropped than I usually wear, but it makes it so when you sit down or when you walk, you would see that little pop of red, and then just the loafers to make it so you see the little red sock a bit more. I think that this is a very good way if you're easing your way into the fun socks, or you just live in a colder climate, you can still participate in the trend. Kind of looks like tights even. Fun. Next trend on my list, rugby shirts. I do not own one yet. I want a thrift one, and I just haven't been to the thrift store. Next, we're gonna do muted colors, no black or white. Okay, super easy way to do this one. Blue jeans are a muted color. We've got this Izod sweater. I'm gonna keep my hair in the little scrunchie because I just feel like it looks better today. I don't know why, I feel like an old woman. I'm gonna switch out the red sock for a brown, like burgundy. And then we could do, I don't technically think shoes like fall into it, but I do think black shoes is like the easy way out. Doc Martens. It's funny because these can feel so summery, like almost like a sandal to me. And then right now they look so fall, like cozy fall shoes, which I will continue to wear them in the fall. Like such an easy outfit with no black or white. And then you would think like, okay, black bag, burgundy bag. I love this purse so much. It had this like long, really thin, ugly strap to it, and I just took it off. And it can also be a belt bag, and I just like it as a clutch. But cute. Izod sweater, thrifted, Everlane, Doc Martens, thrifted. Flares. If you guys have been following me, you know this sweater is like my pride and joy. And for a while I was having sensory issues and I thought it wasn't comfy. It's comfy again. I think it was actually called anxiety, not sensory issues. Who would have thought? I kind of want to do another muted outfit. I just don't really have a lot, you guys. Do I need to go shopping? Navy blue. Is this blue or black? Trends that have to do with color I really enjoy, or just, you know, noticing different color trends and patterns, because I'm about to pair two things together that I've never paired together. I don't know if this Vivienne Westwood sweater is a bit too preppy for cargo pants. Oh my god, when I first got this sweater, it didn't button over like my boobs, and now it does. I'm not producing as much milk. I don't know, that's not what I want. It's not muted enough. We can try and keep these pants on. Either this one, that's kind of good. So muted, and like not what you would ever pair together. I think my hair looks good down now. And then let's do those Doc Martens again, because all my other shoes are literally black or white, or like don't go with this. And then like a pop of color bag. It's fun, and it definitely looks like very chic. I don't know if I probably would put this outfit on. God, this sweater's so good. It's Eddie Bauer, but it's thrifted. Abercrombie cargos that are old, you know the rest. What do we think? I like it. It's just like all sand tones. It's kind of funny because I used to do this with like an all white outfit all the time, but a monochrome outfit can look so good and so chic without trying. And I'm breaking one of your fashion rules you guys gave me, which is always iron or steam. I'm just like, the cargo pants, I don't necessarily love them in the winter and fall time. I like them in the spring and summer. So I'm just like not obsessed with them with the sweater. So let me see if I have something else that would work. Why does it look so good with the socks? Like the socks make it, you guys. Here, let's do black shoe. It's fine, okay? No, we're gonna do the sandwich. That's my other video. I'm an idiot. Okay, I thought like this would kind of take that sandwiching method of like tan and tan, but I kind of want black on bottom and do like more color blocking-esque. This would be a scenario that I might actually grab a black bag. That's just like too much going on. Almost in a good way. It's fall. We get to bring out my Prada Messenger again. I love her. And she just does not feel like a summer bag. And my hair looks old again. Do you guys like that? Am I absolutely flopping with this video? Somebody's gonna comment. I forget what it was. Somebody's gonna comment, when did Lainey lose her spark? Somebody commented that once. Isn't that mean? That's so mean. I didn't say anything, but it's mean. Does this outfit look like I lost my spark? I'm starting to feel better. Clothes make me feel better. I was not feeling great at the beginning of this video. I think you could tell. And I was really just trying to rush through it, but now I'm kind of having fun. Because this outfit, do you guys get what I'm saying? And I don't want to hear that, is it a fit or is she just skinny? Because this is a fit. It's good. Like some reason, when you just throw a bunch of stuff together, and you get this super effortless, like, I swear I didn't plan to put on these brown socks. I just threw them on. It looks so cool. And I know I said I hate matching your shoes to your bag, but tennis shoes is different. And I'm also a big fat liar, so don't ever listen to anything I've ever said in my whole life. I almost did a whole video on that. I started writing up like paragraphs of why you should never listen to me. What's my other stuff I'm doing? What's anything I'm doing? Somebody help me. Okay, again, if you watched my trend video, I talked about drop waist and how the little mod dresses work really well with it. I still need to get this dress hemmed. It was sent to me by Lemon Lime Finds. But a lot of people, when I said I wanted to hem it, they were like, you should raise the waist, which is still like, this would be adorable. And it makes me contemplate everything, but that's not the style I'm going for. Like, do you see how that gives a totally different look? Now it looks a lot more vintage and just like something you wouldn't find at the store every other day. It is literally so good. I need to get this hemmed ASAP, but I can't wear it right now. Also, I already said this because I can't breastfeed in it. There's no way to get a boobie out. So that's why I haven't been wearing it. Otherwise I would be, because it's so good. And with this haircut, I look like it feels like it just needs to be a kitten heel and it's dressed up. So that's why I kind of didn't want to really show it for this video, because it doesn't give fall, it gives summer, especially with the white piping. So kitten heel is how I style this, but I'm not going to, because I'm sweating in it, honestly. How quickly does my mood go from I'm excited, I'm having fun, to I'm sweating, get this off me. I'm gonna have fun editing this. Ooh, this is a good color combo, kind of with the socks. And then what if we do, then I feel like this would be okay with a black boot. I'm letting the TikTok people take over my brain. Who is wearing this? Look at my Uggs. Death to the white sneaker, takes out her white sneaker. Don't listen to anything I've ever said. Everyone's like, why don't you wear your 550s anymore? Because they're hard to get on without untying them, and I'm just that lazy. So I like my Sambas. Wait, I think my Sambas would look better with this anyways. Heavy breathing. The camera's overheating. I'm overheating. I look like the brunette version of Violet from the Willy Wonka. The Willy Wonka. And I look like Willy Wonka. Okay, can you tell how good like this color combo is? I don't have any clothes. This is what keeps happening. So this was me styling the trends I like with what's already in my wardrobe. Some of them I just don't have, I guess. Wait, colored sneakers. I haven't done that yet. You know what? I'm gonna stop here because my outfits are getting worse and worse and worse. I'm gonna do a whole fall outfits video for you guys. This was just what it's like to style trends when you don't buy every new trend. I buy every other new trend, I swear. Okay, but that's it for this video. See you guys in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Remember to check out Bloom. Don't think of me when you think, or don't think of this outfit when you think of me. Bye. I love you.